Hello friends, welcome back again. Today in this video we will solve this tricky problem of algebra, and problem here is x plus 5 times x plus 6 and plus 9 over x times x minus 1, that is equal to 0. Then we'll have to find the value of 2x square plus 10x plus 7. Friends, if still you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to like the video. Friends, for solving this type of problem we will use a very easy tricks that will not only use in these questions, that will be used in another problems also like this. Now for solving this, first of all we will take LCM of this expressions, and it will be x times x minus 1. Here the x times x minus 1, and here it will be, we'll write x plus 5 times x plus 6, and here we'll write these terms times x and x minus 1, and here we'll write plus and 9, that is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify it. It will be x plus 5 times x plus 6 times x minus 1 plus 9, and here we'll multiply, cross multiply with 0, and this term will equal to 0. If we'll multiply all these terms, we will get a value x power by 4. That will be very complicated for us to calculate the value of x. And if you look at the side values of x, means here x plus 5, and in this x plus 6, here it is 0 and minus 1. Now if we'll multiply x with this term x plus 5, we will get 5x. We can get 5x from these terms, x square plus 5x, and if we'll multiply this term also, we'll get x square and plus 6 minus 1, that will be plus 5. So friend, likewise we'll write it as, we'll multiply with this term, means x times x plus 5 we'll write first, and then we'll write x plus 6 times x minus 1 plus 9, that is equal to 0. Now here we'll multiply the first two term, and it will be, if we'll multiply it is x square plus 5x, and now we'll multiply these two terms. It will be here x and x square, and here plus 6 and minus 1, that will be plus 5x, and here 6 and 1, negative 6 plus 9, that is equal to 0. Now for further solution of x, we will let this term x square plus 5x as m. So we'll write it here, x square plus 5x is equal to m. Then this term will also be m. So here we will write the equation will be m times here m minus 6 and plus 9, that is equal to 0. Now we'll multiply, it will be m square minus 6m plus 9, that is equal to 0. Now if you look at it, is a quadratic equation, and it is the formula of, and these expressions we can write in the form of m square, and we'll write 2 times m times 3 plus 3 square, and that is equal to 0. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here a is m, so m minus 3 whole square is 0. So we can write m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the value of m we have calculated here is 3. So m is 3. Now if we carefully look at here, from these first two terms, if we'll take 2 common, from these two terms, then that is x square, and here we have taken 2 common, so remaining is 5x and plus 7. So here in the questions, the m is equal to x square plus 5x. Here we have let x square plus 5x, that is equal to m. So in place of it, 2 times we can write it as m, 2 times m plus 7. So here the value of 2 and m value we have calculated is 3 plus 7. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 7 is 13. So the value of this term will be 13. So friend, here we have calculated the value of x square plus 10x plus 7, that is equal to 13 by a trick. So friend, how was this tricky questions? Give your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.